Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord API error. So guys, if you want to resolve Discord JavaScript error on your Windows 10 PC or laptop, so just follow some steps. Firstly, right click on taskbar, then click on task manager. Now click on details. Now find out in this list Discord. So select it, then click on end task. So if you see Discord, so just you need to end task. Then click on this system tray, and if you see Discord in this system tray list icon, so right click on it and click on quiet. If you see here Discord, so quiet it, then close it. Now click on start and type add or remove programs, so open it. Now find out Discord in this list, click on it, then click on uninstall. Now close it. After installation, click on start, then type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now type gp update space /force, then press enter. Now wait for a while till this procedure will be complete, and you will see computer policy update has completed successfully. Then close it. Now press Windows key plus R and type %sign appdata %sign, then click on OK. Now find out Discord folder in this list, then right click, then click on delete. Close it. Again press Windows key plus R. Now type %sign local app data %sign, then click on OK. Find out Discord, right click on it, then click on delete. Now close it. Now open any web browser, type in Google or any browser Discord, then click on this official link, then click on download for Windows. Once download, restart your PC, and after restart, just you need to install this Discord application. So hopefully guys, using these simple steps we can resolve and fix Discord API error. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.